Let us enter into the second module, that is the teachers module. Just like the student module, teachers also have to enter our iWin portal and log in into their specific accounts using the credentials provided by our software team. Let us see here with an example. When you enter into the module, you will find the dashboard with the total number of students and batches that have been assigned to a particular teacher. Along with it, the list of the toppers in her specific classes will also be displayed. The next column in the module is that of the assignment section, where the teacher can customize her own assignments to the students of specific batches. So let us see how it is done. First, the teacher will have to select the batch for which the assignment should be given. All the list of the students in that batch will be appearing for her to make a refined selection. Once selected, click on the continue. Then all the chapters in the subject the teacher deals with will be displayed along the filter for the difficulty level. Select the chapter in which you want to give the test in by clicking on the plus sign. As soon as you click the plus sign, the topics in the respective chapter will be displayed along with the option to select all or specific topic. Choose the difficulty level and press continue. The questions along with the correct answer and the explanation will be displayed for the teacher's selection purpose. After selection of the choice of questions, submit them. A notification for the assignment will be generated and it will be sent to the student's registered mail ID. The generated assignment will be available in the respective assignment section of the student's module. The next section is the student section, where the teacher can see the list of their entire students and she or he can perform various actions like addition, deletion of the student's data, and etc. The next important column is the reports column. It includes 5 categories: the toppers report, class performance report, student subject-wise report, assignment report, and week topic report. In the toppers section, the teacher can select her or his individual batch of students and see who are the toppers in each and every chapter. The class performance report column enables the teacher to assess the performance of all the students in or his class chapter-wise at various levels. The subject-wise, student-wise performance can be assessed in the student subject-wise report. Here, every individual student's performance is monitored. The assignments given by the teacher, the performance analysis of the students, and the action that should be taken for any improvement of performances can be found in the assignment report section. Week topics report column includes the weak area of the student, the remedial measure taken for the student's improvement, and the concerned action and the reaction is available in that section. The change password section enables the teacher to change and monitor her passwords to keep her account secure. In the questions option, there is a facility that helps the teacher to create a question for a paper. That can be an assignment paper, a mock test paper, or a topic test or a chapter-wise test paper. This question can be for any specific board and any specific pattern of examination. The question can be added by clicking on the Add Question button. Once the question is added, the teacher will be provided with an editor where she or he can create the question by selecting the question type, the choices, the correct answer, the difficulty level, and as well as explain the question or the solution of the question. Any query that the teacher has that she wants to raise it with the institute's management, she can click on the support column and may put her query in that. Thank you.